In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Wix Velo in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to unlock more advanced functionality on your Wix site, enabling Velo, Wix's full-stack development platform, is a crucial step. Whether you're beginning to experiment with code or you're a seasoned developer looking to enhance your site's capabilities, activating Velo will open up a world of possibilities. Now, let's dive into this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along without any hiccups. First things first, you're going to need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials. After successful login, you should land on your site's dashboard. This dashboard serves as the control center for everything related to your site, from settings to design, so you'll be spending quite a bit of time here. Now, from the dashboard, you'll want to open the Wix editor. This area allows you to make visual changes to your site's layout and design. Once in the editor, find the page where you want to activate Velo features. This could be any page within your site, depending on where you plan to implement these advanced features. With the page selected, turn your attention to the top menu bar. There, you'll locate a button labeled Dev Mode. This mode is what allows you to access Velo's extensive suite of tools, so finding it is key. Click on Dev Mode to proceed. Once you click on Dev Mode, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Turn on Dev Mode. This option will enable Velo for your site. Don't worry if it takes a moment. You're about to see some exciting changes in the editor. Upon activating Dev Mode, you'll notice new panels appear throughout the editor interface. These panels include tools like the code editor, database management, and a host of other Velo-specific resources. This robust toolset allows you to add custom functionality, create databases, and enhance interactivity on your site, all with the power of coding. Finally, once you're comfortable with the new setup and have explored the available tools, you can preview your changes by clicking on the Preview option. This will show you what your site looks like with the features you've implemented using Velo. If you're satisfied with how everything is functioning, go ahead and click Publish. This final click will make your dynamic Velo-powered site live for the world to see. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled Wix Velo. This setup not only enhances your site's capabilities, but also empowers you to create more personalized and sophisticated web experiences. Explore